step is you have take a screenshot of all your accessories. When you're done, go to KineMaster. Turn this to 0.1. Then add all your screenshots. Add the audio. Scroll down until you see Extract Audio. Cut it where the edit starts. It's gonna lag if you make your video short, but it's okay. Then stop it when it's the face part. I'm just adjusting it. Then do the same with the other parts. Then, when you're done, export it. Also, you can crop it in CapCut so there will be no watermark. Result.
Listen to me now.
You say you love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking at ears. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that